This is a car. I got my grandma's 2020 Subaru. I'm back for this test.
Please say a command.
Tune to 10:20 a.m.
Okay, tuning to 1020 a.m.
To be a close friend of President Biden.
I think the history of the 21st century turns on how fiercely we defend freedom in Ukraine, and that Putin will only stop when we stop him.
The Ukraine war front and center at St. Peter's Square in Vatican City on Easter Sunday.
France has made an anguished plea for peace in Ukraine in his Easter message, warning that the cruel and senseless conflict there could lead to nuclear war. He asked the question, shall we put an end to the human race, or shall mankind renounce war? The Pope added, let there be a decision for peace. May there be an end to flexing of muscles while people are suffering.
CBS's Sabina Castelfranco in Rome. Back here, the Easter weekend means a pleasant return for most to family gatherings after more than 2 years of the pandemic, but it has also produced several shooting incidents around the country. 2 in South Carolina this weekend, a fatal one in Pittsburgh. 2 young people were killed, 8 more hurt at a party that reportedly had hundreds present. Mitchell Wilson lives nearby.
I'm going to go wash blood off from my wife's car, which is like a really depressing way to spend Easter.
On CBS's Face the Nation, talk about the new wave of migrants arriving at the U.S. southern border. Sister Norma Pimentel of the Catholic Charities of the Rio Grande Valley.
I think that someone who faces violence, fears for their lives, for their children, there needs to be a way to access protection, and that's something that we as a nation can offer.
Back to COVID.
The pandemic is not over, as much as we all wish it were. We're in much, much better shape than we were, but we've got to keep plugging away at managing this virus and getting it under better control so we can get back to our lives.
That is the White House Coronavirus Response Coordinator, Dr. Ashish Jha, on ABC's This Week. This late word from China, Shanghai now reporting its first COVID deaths, plural,
ABC's This Week.
the start of a near total lockdown. Spring might have sprung a month ago, but some wintry weather brought several feet of snow to the Sierra Nevada, rain to parts of the San Francisco area. This is CBS News.
Get CBS News Radio on the Odyssey app. All the audio that matters to you is on Odyssey. News, music, sports, and podcasts. Download the Odyssey app today.
Want to go someplace new? Yeah, you do.
Follow me, I'll lead the way.
Welcome to CBS Morning.
See something new.
Oh my God, that was a big moment. Learn something new. This is my first virtual reality interview.
Meet someone new. Like me. Nate B in the house. Whoa.
There's always something new under the sun.
I came to shine because you guys are shining this morning.
CBS Morning, weekdays on CBS.
If anything's got a chance of solving the world's problems, it's science and technology. And every breakthrough was the result of somebody doing the breaking through. I'm David Pogue. This is Unsung Science, the untold creation stories behind the most mind-blowing advances in science and tech. Presented by CBS News and Simon & Schuster. You can listen to Unsung Science wherever you get your podcasts.
Space news, the launch of a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. Its payload is kind of a hush-hush, though. It's a spy satellite. Meantime, Alabama Space Museum is about to mark a couple of key milestones.
First, the museum is marking the 50th anniversary of the Apollo 16 lunar mission. Next, it's looking ahead to the next U.S. spaceflight to the moon. A member of the Apollo 16 crew, former astronaut Charlie Duke, will be on hand in Huntsville on Wednesday to mark the occasion. Duke and NASA officials also will take part in an event to mark the upcoming test of a new 30-story Space Launch System rocket. NASA is targeting June for that test flight. Linda Kenyon, CBS News.
And on Earth, in the water, that huge container ship, the length of more than 3 football fields, finally pried loose from the muddy bottom of the Chesapeake Bay more than a month after it ran aground. Asian financial markets in early trading mixed. Tom Foti, CBS News.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system.
testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Generic Viagra and Cialis are available.
So are you going to do the delay, or are you not going to do the delay, KDKA? Also, that was way earlier than I'm used to for them doing that.
And free mail delivery. That's right. Generic Viagra and Cialis is available at Wolf.
Please say a command.
Tune to 100.9 FM.
Okay, tuning to 100.9 FM.
Should cut the aux power. Lights off.
To alienate is one of our closest and most important, and that is Israel. What have they made?